In today's video, I'm going to be making two pumpkins out of these small wooden crates you can find at the dollar store. The first pumpkin is going to be painted the color pumpkin by Waverly, and the second is going to be the color maize, also by Waverly. For step 2, I'm going to be adding my stems to each pumpkin, and I just use wooden pieces that you can get in a bag from the dollar store, and I just glued them on top using wood glue and a little bit of hot glue. For step 3, I'm going to be adding the word welcome to my yellow pumpkin and the word autumn to my orange pumpkin, and I do that using some sticker letters from Hobby Lobby, and then I'm going to use Modge Podge to secure my letters down, and I'm going to put it down before and after I have my word in the center of my pumpkin. For step 4, which is the final step to this video, I just make a bow to go on the top of each of my pumpkins, and this is my first time doing this bow method, so if I decide I like it, I will make a video on that in the near future. you for watching today's video. I hope it leaves you inspired to create some home decor of your own. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Bye everyone.